Okay, I'm going to show you how to install Kami with the Chrome extension, and this has to be in your Google Chrome browser. So the first thing you're going to do is go to our assignment, which is the week 4, and then the Tuesday, Wednesday synchronous time Kami assignment. You're going to click on that. Click on this PDF. This is your assignment here, okay? And then we're going to open with, and then I don't have Kami, so I need to connect more apps. So I'm going to click connect more apps, and then I'm going to search Kami. So it popped up here for me, but I'm going to go ahead and search it just to show you. And then you can push, you want the Kami PDF and document annotation. So you're going to press plus and then to connect. Okay, so then it says that it's been connected. So then I'm going to open with Kami. So when you open with Kami, then you'll see that your assignment opens, and you want to authorize Google Drive and then use your sign-in. So I want to use mine. And then you're going to have to scroll here and say allow. And then what are you using it for? It's a K-12 school. And then authorize Google Drive. You have to do it again. You have to do it twice. I don't know why. And then say allow. So I'm going to click K-12 again. And then you want to choose student. So click student. I'm going to choose teacher. You will have different maybe questions for you, but I'm going to just go ahead and say no to this question. And then we're going to go ahead and type in Mitchell. I don't know if you'll have these, but go ahead and try it. So Mitchell and then the zip code. And then click finish. All right, and then you press continue. All right, so this is Kami here, okay? So you can see here that you've got different tools like markup and comment. There's a text box. You can enter in text box. There's different colors here. There is an equation. This is just a limited time if you have the trial. So I have the trial. And then drawing. So you can draw things in. These are shapes. And then you have the eraser tool. You can insert images. This is like a signature. You won't need that. Okay, so to actually input things, I would like to do text mainly. And then what you would do is you would fill out this box. So you'd see that you're going to look and see what is the pattern and what's happening here and how are you getting from here to here. Okay, so what did they do from here to here? Okay, and then you're going to type in your answer and you would just put, well, maybe it is, I don't know, 7, right? And then you're going to put another one in here and maybe you put 10. This isn't the answer, I'm just giving you an example. So you could also write it in if you want to write it in, okay? When you are done, you're going to go up to the save button and press save now, okay? And once you save it, then it's going to save to your document. And then when you're all done, you go back to your classwork. Okay, so you go back in here and submit the assignment. All right, that's it. Thank you.